Good afternoon to all. Welcome to today's ICT session. In previous class, we already discussed our third chapter, that is the infinite world within our grasp. Right? Okay. Let's continue the chapter and let's start with Ray Tomlinson. All of you know about this person, Ray Tomlinson. Yes, he was the inventor of email, that is electronic mail. Okay, Ray Tomlinson was an American computer programmer who developed the program to send messages from one computer to another for ARPANET. Okay, Ray Tomlinson was an American computer programmer who developed the program to send messages from one computer to another for ARPANET. Okay, he created a program for ARPANET. Okay, yes, which was a precursor of the internet. Yes, okay. He was the one who selected the symbol at the rate to separate the username from the name of the service provider in the email address. Even now, user at host is considered as the standard for email address. Okay, Ray Tomlinson, uh, he was the founder of email, and he created or developed a program to send messages from one computer to another for ARPANET. Okay, ARPANET is the first form of internet. Okay, and he was the one who selected the symbol at the rate. Firstly, okay, at the rate is to separate the username from the name of the service provider in the email address. Okay, name of the service provider and yeah, the name of the user. Okay, and let's discuss about various modes of communication. Okay, you have learned the importance and advantages of email. Now let's compare the merits and limitations of various modes of communication. Okay, there are four types of modes of communications and their merits and limitations. Okay, first mode of communication is letter. Okay, the merits of letter is information can be exchanged in the form of text and picture. Information can be exchanged in the form of text and picture. Okay, and the limitation is it causes delay. Yes, it's absolutely right. It causes delay. Okay, that's the limitation of letter. Mode of communication, that is telephone. Information can be exchanged in the form of sound. Information can be exchanged in the form of only the sound, only the form of sound in land phone or telephone. Okay, and the limitation is transmission of message happens very quickly. Okay, we can consider this limitation as a merit of telephone. Transmission of messages happens very quickly. Okay, and the limitation is we can't modify that message. Okay, we can't correct or modify that message. It transmits very quickly. Okay, and two more mode of communication: mobile phone and email. Okay, you just write the merits of limitations of mobile phone and email in your notebook. Just write the merits and the limitations. Okay, mobile phone is as same as and informations, that is like sound, text, and video. We can transfer the sound information in the form of video, sound, text, etc. Okay, that's one of the important merits of mobile phone. Okay, and the emails like mobile phone, we can transfer the information in the form of sound, video, and text like that. Okay. Okay, not only service providers, that is the service providers of email, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Rediff Mail, like that. Okay, but also organizations and government departments provide free email facility for official purpose. For official purpose, organizations and government departments also provide free email facility. Okay, for example, the email address of kite, KIT. Okay, what do you mean by kite? All of you know about kite? Yes, kite is very important in our Kerala education. It's a government of Kerala establishment. Okay, kite. Yes, this is Kerala's kite's official site. Kerala Infrastructure and Technology for Education. Kerala Infrastructure and Technology for Education. In education field of Kerala, kite is very important. Okay, and its role, it's very important. Okay, the class of Victor's channel. Uh, what is based on this kite? Okay, this kite's official site. Okay, it's a establishment of government, Kerala government. Okay, and it's formerly known as IT School. Okay, was formed in 2001 to 2. Okay, that's great. And you have learned how information can be collected from the internet and how emails can be sent. Almost any information that we need, like those related to literary works, audios, videos, maps, etc., are available on the internet. Among the available versions of online encyclopedia, the more trustworthy and comprehensive information is provided in Wikipedia. What do you mean by Wikipedia? Wikipedia is a online encyclopedia. Wikipedia is online encyclopedia. It consists of several information. Okay, several details of uh, almost all matters of our today's world. Okay, and let's discuss about the sister projects of Wikipedia. Wikipedia project has many branches of projects. Okay, it divided into many projects, and one project is wiki source. Okay, wiki source, and another is Wiktionary. Okay, Wiktionary, and the next is wiki codes or quotations. Okay, and wiki commons. Okay, like Wikipedia, OpenStreetMap is also a digital map that can be edited freely by anyone. We can edit freely the details in Wikipedia. Okay, like that, OpenStreetMap is also a digital map that can be edited by freely anyone. Anyone, sorry. Yes. Uh, the first sister project of Wikipedia is School Wiki. Let's discuss about School Wiki. School Wiki is based on the schools in Kerala. Okay, School Wiki. This is the website of School Wiki. School Wiki is an encyclopedia developed using wiki software that includes all details like history, location, etc. of schools in Kerala. Okay, the history, location, and other details of schools. Giving information is as important of as receiving information. All this information about schools have been contributed to this site by groups comprising students, teachers, and all students. Wiki services have been developed in such a way that any person can access this site. That's very important. Uh, any person can access this site and modify and add information. We can modify and add information to it. Okay, we can go through school wiki. Just search school wiki. Okay, this is the home page of school wiki. Okay, this is the home page of school wiki. You can select Vidyalayangal from the left side. Okay, and select the Kannur Revenue Jilla. Okay, Revenue District, and Talipramba North. Okay, Educational Sub District. Okay, and search for our school name, Pushperi School. Okay, and this is the details of our school, St. Joseph's HS Pushpagiri. Okay, we can edit and add information to it. Okay, yes. Okay, let's build the pillars of knowledge. Wikipedia exhorts people to imagine a world in which every single person on the planet is given free access to some of all human knowledge. Okay, content information is included in the wiki projects through a collaborative effort. Okay, Wikipedia operates on the basis of certain policies and guidelines. Okay, this lends clarity and helps to bring consensus when there are difference of opinion. Okay, you just note that Wikipedia is an online dictionary. Okay, Wikipedia is an online dictionary. Okay, Wikipedia is developed by Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger. We already discussed that Wikipedia is developed by Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger. Okay, that's the main thing. Okay, we can access and we can edit the datas in Wikipedia. Okay, to be a member of School Wiki, anyone is permitted to edit the contents in School Wiki, but only those with membership have the permission to edit the secure pages and add new articles. Okay, this is important. Anyone is permitted to edit the contents in School Wiki, but only those with membership have the permission. Those with membership have the permission to edit the secure pages and add new articles. Okay. Moreover, your contributions are served either in your name or in your username. Your services to Wiki are evaluated on the basis of contributions made, the pages edited using your username. Okay. That's the important thing of school wiki. Okay, we can edit the secure pages and add new articles by using the membership. Okay, and next section is souvenir of Entenadu in school wiki. Okay, you can search these data like Wikipedia and school wiki. Okay, you can search in on the internet. Okay, okay, then school wiki, Entenadu in school wiki. That's the steps of uh, practical session. Okay, you can search the steps on the internet, log into school wiki and click on in order district, educational district and school to reach your school page. Okay, and this is the interface of a school page, school wiki page. Next sister branch of Wikipedia is Wiki Quotes. Okay, you have learned the poem Vishwan Deepamayam written by Ullur S. Parameshwara Iyer, given in your Malayalam textbook. Okay, and there are some lines in Vishwan Deepamayam written by Ullur S. Parameshwara Iyer. Okay, the wiki projects which contain a collection of such famous quotation and inspirational lines of poetry, proverbs, uh, riddles, idioms, etc. are the wiki codes. Wiki codes consist of famous quotations, inspirational lines of poetry, proverbs, riddles, idioms, etc. are the wiki codes. Okay, okay, that is wiki codes. Next is let's add contents in Wikicourse. How to add contents in Wikicourse? That's steps of practical, and you can search it on internet. Okay, you can type the uh, each steps in internet. Okay, type the URL that is Wikicourse URL. Okay, you can see after Wikicode, wikicode.org, org. That's the domain name. Okay, that's a domain name. Org means organization. It means organization. Okay, at first of this class, we discussed the address of guide. Okay, in that address, we can see .gov.in. Okay, .gov. That is that you mean by government for government purpose. Okay, .edu means educational purpose. Okay, .co means commercial purpose. Okay, we just note that. Okay, and these are the steps of wiki codes. Okay, log in and type in search box the name of the person, poet, whose lines, like that. You just read that steps. Okay, next is Creative Commons. Creative Commons is based on some rules. Okay, creative works like photographs, music, and literature can be exchanged or republished subject to the copyright laws. Copyright laws means പകർപ്പവകാശ നിയമം. Often complicated copyright laws have caused prolonged legal battles. Okay, Creative Commons. CC means Creative Commons. Creative Commons is an organization that works to increase the availability of creative works that can be legally shared. Okay, Creative Commons is an organization that works to increase the availability of creative works that can be legally shared. Okay, the organization has released several copyright licenses. As these licenses are more democratic and popular than many other copyright licenses, the Creative Commons license is the most acceptable for all wiki projects. Okay, CC means Creative Commons. Okay, today we can see uh, cinema scripts. Based on cinema scripts, there are so many issues. Depends on their copyright laws. പകർപ്പവകാശം സിനിമയുടെ തിരക്കഥ സംബന്ധിച്ചുള്ള പല പ്രശ്നങ്ങളുമുണ്ട്. There are so many issues. Okay, just an example. Okay, that is CC, Creative Commons. Next is based on social media, creative use of social media and cyber terrorism, like that, cyber crimes and cyber laws. That is next section. Let's wind up today's session. Okay, and you just search the wiki codes and wiki school wiki and Wikipedia on the internet. Okay, and let's wind up today's session. Okay, you just write your notes. Okay, this chapter's notes, only one word questions. Okay, this is one of the theory chapters. You have to, I think, two theory chapters in your syllabus. Okay, this is the one. It's the one theory chapter. Okay, and study well. Okay, stay safe. Goodbye.